Everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese sugar cookies. Start off with our ingredients. First, you need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you need 2 cups of sugar, 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick softened, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then it comes the fun part. If you want to make these, I'm going to color some of them, so I need some food coloring. I'm going to have this orange, pink, blue, and yellow, and then I have some sanding sugar crystals, and then my cutouts are going to be butterflies and just flowers and Easter eggs and bunnies and little things that look like the sun. So we're just going to make these nice and springy and fun, but you can do whatever you want. If you don't want to color them, you don't have to, and you can just make them round if you want as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first in a medium bowl, we are going to whisk together our flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and just set that to the side. Alright, next in a large bowl, we are going to cream together our butter, our cream cheese, and our sugar with an electric mixer until that is nice and combined. Alright, next we want to add in our egg and vanilla extract and mix it all again. Alright, now we're going to slowly add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients a little at a time, mixing it in between each time. Alright, that looks nice and combined to me. I just went ahead and mixed it with a mixer until it just got a little too hard to do and finished it off with my spatula. So next we are going to separate this into baggies. Depending on how many colors you want to make will depend on how many baggies. I'm doing 4, so I'm going to separate this into 4 equal parts. Alright, my 4 colors are all ready to go. As you can see, I just put my dough in a bowl, put my food coloring in there, and then mixed it around with the spatula. It's time consuming, but I feel like it's just the best way. So I have my yellow, orange, and pink over here, and then I'm going to put my blue in plastic wrap and put those in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Okay, it's been 2 hours, so I went ahead and preheated my oven to 400, and I just lightly, not flour, but you just want to use powdered sugar and lightly sugar your surface, I guess. I'm going to work with one dough at a time, or if you want to get crazy and maybe at the end I might sprinkle some of the doughs together just to make a really pretty cookie. But first I'm going to start with my orange and get that rolled out. Okay, my first set of cookies just came out of the oven. I cooked them at 400 for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm just going to let them sit here on the actual cookie sheet for a couple more minutes because they will cook. And then I'm going to move them over onto my cooling rack. See, I made some flowers and some suns. They're very pretty. Here are how the rest of the cookies turned out, and they are so cute and they remind me so much of spring. What a great way to celebrate the first day of spring. So we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Taste Tester picked a little sun to try out. Go ahead, Taste Tester. Have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy first day of spring.
Happy first day of spring.
Bye.
Bye.